Hello, this is Brian Hegney, instructor of game design here at High Point University. If you are watching this, it is because you probably have never created a Blogger blog and you want me to help you through it. So in this process, or in this video, we are going to talk about a few things. Whoops, let me get there. We are going to visit blogger.com. We are going to create a new blog. We are going to give it a title and an address, and you have to know the difference between those two concepts, a title versus an address. We're going to choose a theme, and then we're going to create a blog. This should take you about 10 seconds, but I'm going to walk it through and just catch a few errors here and there that some people will have. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to www.blogger.com if you are logged in. And if you don't believe me, I know this says https www.blogger.com, then dashboard reading ? So that's all gobbledygook. Let's see. Blogger.com. If I just type that in, it's going to bring me to the same exact space. Now, this is what you see. It's not necessarily what anyone else would see. Oh, that's interesting that... Okay, nope, that's fine. It's a little bit different. What you would do if you have never created a blogger blog before, this is what you would see. And what you would do would be to click this create blog over on the top left, right below that orange and white icon with the B. So you click create blog and you're going to choose the name for your blog here. Now I'm not going to go through with this here because I have another account where I keep all of my blogs just to show you that if you have a blog already that you started like 2 years ago and you're following this video because you don't remember how to create a blog, well, I just want you to let you know you can create as many blogs as you want to. So I'm just going to cancel out of here and close this window. This is just to let you know what it looks like if you've never created a blog before. I'm going to close that. Yes, close them all. Okay. That is not what I want. I want a new window. A new Chrome window. There we go. I'm going to log into blogger.com. Again, I'm logged into Gmail already, or to Google already, and this is what it would look like if you've already created a blog. See, it's slightly different. Over here on the left, you can see I have com1112 Hegney. That's just a blog I did to, I don't know, test out some com1112 things, and I have a few different blogs here. Well, if I want to start a new blog, I would click this little drop down arrow and scroll down to the bottom and click new blog. Because if you have created a blog already for a class like history or Spanish or something, I don't want to read your history or Spanish blogs. I honestly do not. I don't even want to see anything about them. Even if you had a class of mine, I don't want to see those blogs. I want you to have a specific blog specifically for whichever class you're creating the blog post for. So I'm going to click new blog, and I am going to choose a name for this blog. And this is where I'm going to work with the title. Now the title can be written any way, more or less. I can call this Brian's, I'm going to call this Brian's Quips and Queries blog. There. And what I want you to realize, well, now I'm going to click next. Well, notice that I can keep spaces. I can even do, you know what, I might call this Quips, Queries, and question marks blog. Just to let you know, I can put special characters in there if I want. Now, the address, or the URL, is very different, right? So now I'm going to have to say... oh, see, it's already saying, oh, that's not available. Brian, now if I put an apostrophe, I didn't think I'd be allowed to put an apostrophe. Well, let's just try it. Quips and query, oh wait, quips, queries, and... So what this is saying, if I add spaces and commas, is this blog address is invalid or not supported. Okay, and the reason is because the web does not work with things like commas, with things like spaces. I mean apostrophes, with spaces, with commas, and I'm pretty sure not even question marks. Okay, Brian's quips, and there's a space right there. And now it's saying, hey, this address is available. The moment I put a space in there, it's saying it's invalid. The moment I put a parentheses in there or an apostrophe, I mean, it's invalid. So just note that the title can be pretty much whatever you want, but the address needs to be web compatible. Brian's quips, queries, and else I'll put. .blogspot.com. Now I'm going to hit save. And it should be saving it. I think. Okay, there. Oh, and hey! I didn't get a chance to choose a theme, and I guess they took that out. So interesting. So that's it. The blog is created. We've done it. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to create your new post and what that will look like. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye.